Hello, welcome to this short and direct video on how to pull in the PMI figures for Nigeria directly into Excel. PMI stands for Purchasing Managers Index. In economics is one of the economic leading factors that you evaluate to judge if a country is doing fine or it's just in line for a recession or some troubles. So how you get those figures into Excel is very easy and straightforward. You go to insert menu in your Excel 2016, you'll see get headings, and then you search for Nigerian market data, and you click on add. I have added it, so I won't do that again. When you click on add, it's going to install it into your Microsoft Excel, and you'll find it under home menu. You'll see Nigerian market data, and once you click on it, it launches and you see it has a whole bunch of many useful tools. What we're going to use is the PMI. You click anywhere in your Microsoft Excel sheet and you click on PMI, and instantly it will pull out the historical figures for Nigeria, and it goes as far back as 2015. So that's how it works. Thank you.